Well, D, got some good news for you, brother. There it is right there. MJS Performance, LLC. Man, the Eagle has landed. Going to get that beautiful jigsaw on down here, man. Let's go ahead and get that surgery performed. There you go.
Appreciate you, man.
Man, ain't no biggie. You can bring her on in, man. You refer to your bike as a him or a her?
It's a him. This
It's
the
a him?
first one.
Okay. Elijah?
Yeah, I like the name, so.
Okay.
Powerful biblical name. I'm
Yeah.
a church boy. So. Yeah.
Okay. What's happening, people? So we are back in the garage. I got my man Dave here. He's got his beautiful R750. We went down last week to the MIR, and my man Chris Moore was down there. We all got our bikes ECUs flashed. Now, what we're going to do today is we are going to deinstall this old catalytic converter, this big old lunchbox under here. We're going to go ahead and deinstall that, and we're going to install a midpipe. He already has this nice M4 exhaust, so the bike already sounds nice. But once we take that cat off, man, it is really going to wake up the exhaust note on this bike. So, real quick, is there anything that that you want to say about the bike? How's it been treating you since you've had it? How has it been running since the ECU flash? And what do you expect to get out of this DCAT?
Bike is phenomenal, to be honest. First bike, not first time me riding it, two wheels. Dirt bikes I rode, four wheels of course. It's a 24, I love it. I was gonna get a different bike. It was between the R7 and this one, or either the 1000, the GSX-R 1000. However, this was the best in between bike I can find, and the price wasn't bad. It was actually pretty good. Since the tune, it's been a night and day difference. Like, it's different. It's like I don't need a 1000 one, to be honest. However, I still want to get a 1 liter bike. I just need one. I mean, it's okay to have two bikes. Popping has been happening since the tune, and I don't even have to do anything. It's popping. So I can imagine how it's gonna sound once I get the catch taken off. So I'm ready for that. I mean, I'm just ready to see what else I can do. I did minor little cosmetic things. Sticker, for the thighs and all that. I added the charger, the quad lock charger, the tracker for I think it's the I can't remember, something 9. I can't remember the tracking device.
Is that Manimoto?
Yeah, the Manimoto 9. I got that. I hit it. No one will be able to find that. It's in somewhere that you'll never think. Frame sliders. I love them. It goes with the whole theme of the bike. The stands also. Of course, the M4 exhaust, as Vic said. The little sleeve. The lights. I got the, thanks to Vic, got the both lights. Let me show you, come on real quickly for y'all.
Beautiful.
Everything, yup. All that changed out. And, also, 10 out, you gotta get this out. I mean, I was worried about kind of like, I thought I'll be looking through it, but you really don't look too much through this. I assumed you did, but besides that, I added the Insta 360 mount and perfect finish I get to help others that's riding with me. The bike is lovely. I love the bike. I don't know what to do after this other than change out the fairings, but I love the way it looks. Maybe I may ask for more pops after or upgrade. I don't know, do a whole new different downpipe. But besides that, I don't think there's nothing too much you can do to the bike. The bike is already good when you go off the showroom floor. So I'm just doing this just because I'm bored at this point. And I just want to do something to the bike. But besides that, I recommend the GSX-R 750. It's a good in-between bike. Once you get your funds out of this, you can go to a 1000, but to be honest, you'll never get bored of this. I never got bored of it, to be honest. So I'm David. I recommend GSX-R. Get you a GSX-R 750.
Yeah.
You can get 600. Nothing wrong with 600.
Roger.
Nothing wrong with it, but the 750 is the best in-between pipe. So if I want to go to the track today, I can take this too and ride it home. I just gotta remove these two right here. But besides that, that's it.
Okay. Well, folks, there you have it. What we're gonna do is we're gonna remove these these side fairings here. That's going to give us better access to get to that pipe underneath there, and we'll get this thing underway. All right, so we got the skins pulled off the right side of this bad boy, and as we can see right here, we got this little bulge. That's where we want to make our cut. Cut is probably going to take a good 15-20 minutes to get through, but this should be a nice clean cut. We'll go ahead and get the slicing underway. All right, go ahead and get my safety gear. Always wear your gear, people. Make sure we get none of these metal shavings in the eye. Need some glasses?
No, I'm good.
Okay. What that joke is. This seems a little closer than mine. All right, here we go. Almost made it. Voila. All right, we got the cat off. As you can see here, we have this hanger. We're gonna have to loosen up this hanger just a little bit so that we can mate up the mid pipe to the slip-on exhaust. And this little juncture right here, that's going to hold the mid pipe on. And as you can see here, there's two bolts that hold the cat in. Obviously, those bolts go here, and the cat, as you can see, it's threaded. It has a little nut built in there that the bolt just bolts right into. That's on both sides here. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to sand this down here a little bit. As you can see, the cut, it's got some burring on there. Nice little sharp edge, particularly down here towards the bottom. We're going to sand that down a little bit, smooth it out with a Dremel. We're going to get all that debris out of there, those metal shavings. And that's the stuff I was referring to that can, you know, get into your eye when you're cutting. Some of that stuff has a tendency to fly just about anywhere, and you don't want it to fly into your eye. It'll be a bad day in the office. But like I said, we'll go ahead and shave that down, get it nice and smoothed out, and then we'll go ahead and install the mid pipe and the slip on, and then we'll be able to fire this puppy up, see how it sounds. Nice little jagged edge that was hanging down.
Now you was cutting. You said 15 minutes. Only about 15 seconds, man.
I think because it was warm, man.
Yeah. When you said that, I was like, that definitely made help.
Oh yeah. I don't even need my drum.
All right. Speaking of overnight, but do you feel like this was an overnight?
Nah.
A waste of money, but.
Hey, man.
All right, we got number one clamp. It's only one clamp.
Yeah.
It's only one.
Yep.
Always two. All right.
Okay.
I'll pause.
Go ahead and hit it. All right, so we got the mid pipe installed. We got this clamp here that basically secures the mid pipe to the down pipe. Got to make sure that this clamp sits right behind this little hinge here, this little valve hinge. Right inside here, you got your exhaust flap, and this is the, I guess you call it the hinge that controls that flap in there. That sits right behind it. You want to make sure it's wrenched down nice and tight so that you get a nice good seal here. Now you could come back later and get this tap welded. There's really no need to, unless you felt that you wanted to do that. But anyway, we can go ahead and proceed to go ahead and slap on the M4. Thinking it's gonna sit. Whee. Okay, that's cool. Yeah, it's gonna sit like that there. And that bad boy's all the way down in there.
The only issue I had to line this up. Had to make sure the hole was lined up with it.
Mm-hmm. That goes that way.
Mm-hmm.
Boom, boom. It's gonna go up in there. Like that. Let's see. That there. All right, folks, we got the M4 on this bad boy. We got that mid pipe installed. That thing is looking right nice and tight, nice and clean. We're gonna fire this bad boy up, see how she sounds, see how he sounds. Oh. And we got flames, baby. Golly. Oh, yes, sir. Oh, my goodness.
Yo, that was crazy.
Man.
That was crazy.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.